Hi, I'm Ashok Yadav and you are watching Codelogix. In this video, we will be unboxing 4 items, namely mini gorilla tripod, tripod mount and phone holder, and ball mount for rotation, 360-degree rotation, and a wireless shutter for controlling your phone's camera from distance wirelessly. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and the review. So this is the packaging that I have received from GadgetGlam. I had ordered recently and it got delivered today. So I'll just open the box and show you how the products have been packed. So we can see here we have the wireless shutter for controlling the camera wirelessly from a distance. Then we have, this is a Gorilla mini tripod. There is a bubble wrap over all the products, and the remaining two products are, this is a ball mount for 360-degree rotation, and this is tripod mount, or you can say phone holder for holding the camera or phone. So as far as the packaging is concerned, I would say that the packaging is good and it is very practical, and it is covered with the bubble wrap so that it doesn't get damaged while transportation. First of all, I will unwrap this Gorilla mini tripod. So here we have this Gorilla mini tripod. You can see it is very flexible. Alright, it can be placed anywhere in various shapes. It is very flexible and it can be adjusted in any way. Above this we have a nut. If you have a camera, if you have a DSLR camera, you can just adjust the DSLR camera above this. But if you don't have a DSLR camera, you have to remove this nut, and on this screw you can mount your tripod mount or a mobile holder. So secondly, we will open this mobile holder. This is also, all these products are from GadgetGlam. I had ordered all these 4 products from GadgetGlam. So this is the mobile holder or simply we can call it tripod mount, and this mobile holder can be placed above this in 2 ways. One way is simply you can put it over this. You can just fix it on the screw like this, and you can put your phone over here. So we have fixed the phone holder over the Gorilla tripod, mini tripod, and I will show you how it will hold the phone. First of all, we can just open it. If you tighten it, it will hold the phone very strongly and it will not be loose, and the phone will not fall down in any way. The phone is not falling. I would say that the Gorilla mini tripod is very handy and very portable, and it is very adjustable. You can adjust it in any way, and the phone holder is also very compact and it can be adjusted from here. We can rotate the phone holder like this. Alright, you can use it for landscape mode. This is portrait mode, and you can use it for landscape mode also, and then you can tighten it from back. You can adjust it in any way you want. You can even wrap it around some kind of surface. Let's say I have this bottle and I want to wrap it around this bottle. You can just wrap it anywhere and it will just strongly hold it and it will not fall down. You can see it is not falling down. If you want to record a landscape video, by default you can connect the phone holder with the tripod like this. But if you want a rotation, if you want to control the rotation, and if you want 360-degree rotation, then you have to remove this, and we have a ball mount for that. which will help us achieve 360-degree rotation. This is a very handy tool which will give us 360 degree of rotation. So this is the ball mount that I was talking about, and if you connect this ball mount over this screw, we will be able to achieve 360-degree rotation, and we will be able to rotate our smartphone in any way. See, this is the ball and it can be rotated in any way, and we will just place the phone holder over this. We'll just fix the phone holder over this, and then we are ready to rotate the phone holder in any direction. You can see this way you will be able to achieve 360-degree rotation using the ball mount. And there is a knob here. Once you have fixed your position of this mobile holder, you can just tighten it. Ball mount position will be fixed and it will not rotate. Here we can see it is in landscape, and if we try to record a portrait video, then we will have to fix the ball mount in some other position like this, maybe like this, or maybe like this, like this. Like this we can fix the ball mount position and we can record a portrait video. Alright, so this was about the ball mount, and this is the phone holder. Apart from this, we have one more item, which is this shutter, wireless shutter for Android and iOS. So this is the wireless shutter from GadgetGlam, and to use this wireless shutter, there is a on and off switch on the right side of this wireless shutter. You can see. So you just have to turn on this switch. Once you turn on the switch, the light will start blinking, blue light, and when we open our smartphone, in the Bluetooth we will see this AB shutter 3 in our Bluetooth, and then we can pair this device. The name is AB shutter 3. Once paired, we will be able to control the camera using this this wireless shutter. So I open my camera and I try to record it. Okay, this is clicking pictures, and to record it I will have to change to video mode, and then from a distance it has two buttons. One is for iOS and another, the above one is for iOS and the below one is for Android. So if we try to record video in Android, this smartphone is Android, so I will have to press the below button and it will start recording. You can see it has started recording, and if I want to stop the recording, I will just click the below button and right button. It will stop the wireless shutter. Is also a very handy product from GadgetGlam, wherein you don't have to manually start and stop the video recording again and again. So overall, my opinion about this setup from GadgetGlam is that this tripod, phone holder, and the ball mount, and this wireless shutter, all these products are very well synced with each other, very well compatible with each other, and they work perfectly for video creation. And if you are considering creating videos for YouTube or clicking photos and using tripod for that, I would strongly recommend you that you use GadgetGlam tripod, Gorilla tripod, this phone holder, and this ball mount, and this wireless shutter for your video production, and you will be able to get better results, as this tripod setup is really amazing. So if you liked these products from GadgetGlam, this Gorilla tripod, this ball mount, this phone holder, and this wireless shutter, then you can buy it from the link given below in the description, And if you have any queries, you can let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and have a good day.